If you create a custom script for your Conlang, you can use it in Vulgar if you have it in a font file format. We call this a constructed script or conscript. You may be wondering, okay, great, but how do I create a conscript in a font file? There's a few free font making programs. For complete beginners, FontStruct is one of the easiest options. It uses a grid system which helps you maintain consistent widths and an overall cohesive style. This script was made with FontStruct. Professional software gives you a blank slate to work with, which requires significantly more patience and planning to make something that looks good. There's also a few extra technical details to grapple with. FontForge is a free option if you want to take this path. Whichever software you choose, all your glyphs, that is, the symbols, need to be assigned to a character on your keyboard. You can utilise both the lowercase and uppercase keys to assign your glyphs to. It's worth mentioning that the very concept of lowercase and uppercase letters is really more of a Latin and Greek thing. Other writing systems tend to just have a single form, as do most conscripts. You may also assign glyphs to punctuation keys or special symbols if you need to. When you upload your font to Vulgar, it will change the font of the main spelling in the dictionary and grammar section, but it doesn't change the font inside the spelling rules. So you'll need to remember which glyphs are assigned to which key in order to write spelling rules. You can adjust the size of the main spelling if you realise your font is too big or small. So far, we haven't really used the term alphabet. Alphabets are writing systems that have one letter for every sound of the language. But there are other kinds of writing systems you could consider creating. Syllabaries have one symbol per syllable, and logographies have symbols for whole words, or at least parts of words. That said, alphabets require significantly less glyphs than other systems. Clearly, script creation is a very creative space and an art form unto itself. This video really just covers how to get started. For more inspiration, I recommend checking out the Neography subreddit. Like and subscribe for more.